Hi everybody, welcome back. This is your nephew, uncle, your cousin, Dr. Kyjuan Brown, and welcome to this episode of More Than Medicine. In this episode, we're going to talk about digestive enzymes. But before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and click that notification bell down the bottom so you can be made aware of any of our content as we publish it. In this episode, we're going to talk about digestive enzymes and why they're so important in overall health and vitality. So when I talk about digestive enzymes, it's because you keep on presenting with symptoms of lack of digestive enzymes. And those symptoms are gas and bloating, flatulence, abdominal pain and distension after eating, where you just get very bloated, diarrhea, or even constipation. Some weight changes are also signs of lack of nutrient absorption. Fatigue and weakness. I'm just always tired. I'm just always fatigued. No matter what I eat or do, I'm always tired. Well, those are some symptoms of lack of digestive enzymes. So what are digestive enzymes? Enzymes help to break down something, and that's what an enzyme is. And in this case, digestive enzymes help to break down your protein, your starches, your fats into their small constituents where your body can then absorb them and utilize them for whatever your body needs to utilize them for. So let's talk about some natural digestive enzymes. And some of these things you may very well already know, or you may be made aware of through this presentation. First one is pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, and bromelain helps to digest protein. So we also have papaya. Papaya has papain, which is an enzyme that helps to digest protein as well. So remember aunties used to say, let's tenderize our meat with some papaya or pineapple? Well, that's because they're breaking down that protein. So here we go. Another one is mangoes. Mangoes have an enzyme called amylase, and amylase helps to break down carbohydrates. Another one is honey. Get that organic raw honey. Have a little tablespoon after you eat, and that's going to contain amylase, protease, and this helps to break down starches as well as proteins as well as sugars. So honey is a good digestive enzyme. Bananas are rich in amylase as well, and it helps to break down carbohydrates as well as sugars. Avocados contain lipase, and lipase helps to break down fats into their fatty acid constituents. Ginger is another good one. It has protease, and protease helps to digest proteins as well as helps to overall relieve that gas, bloating, and distension. So those are some natural digestive enzymes that we can consume during our meal, either we mix it with our foods and or after our meal to help us to break down foods and aid in absorption. Apart from the natural alternatives, there are some supplements that I do like and recommend, and my second favorite is, of course, Super Enzymes by Now brand. And this is a great source of all the digestive enzymes, including it also has some betaine, which is a hydrochloric acid, which helps to improve the stomach content of acid and the pH of the stomach to help to break down those particles, those food particles as well. And then my absolute favorite is my digestive enzymes, because I made it and I formulated it myself. And it has all the digestive enzymes as well, including that of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps to improve acid function of the stomach, and also put in some probiotics as well. I've also added some ginger, some peppermint to help to soothe the gut and to reduce that gas, belching, bloating, and distension that can come after meals. So I normally take 2 to 3 during the meal or towards the end of the meal, and that's how we go ahead and settle down a lot of those symptoms that you're presenting with because you lack digestive enzymes. All right, guys, so that's your episode on digestive enzymes. This is your nephew, uncle, your cousin, Dr. Kyjuan Brown. Thank you for joining us on this episode of More Than Medicine.